Okay. Oh, calendar. From pop-ups, we have left out with calendar pop-up, child browser, and Windows pop-up. I will download and upload pop-up. Correct? That's completed. Right?
Yes.
Yes. No. Okay. From pop-up parts, do you have any doubts? Any of the pop-up? See, here we are having a calendar pop-up, correct? So how to handle this calendar part? We have to know that. First, I'll do the program. I'll explain it. Okay. Dot slip.
அதான் நீ மறந்துட்டேன் நைட் வரும்போது. அதான் அதான் நீ மாத்தி வச்சுட்டேன்னு.
Recording in progress.
Dot find elements. Export. Okay, up to this first we'll see, then we'll go forward. What I have done here is I have opened the this is a URL, any of the URL will open there. If any calendar pop-up is present, how to handle this calendar pop-up? See here, after clicking here, see this statement is to click on that specific element. Which one? This one. We're just clicking it to open the calendar part. After clicking the calendar part, what we have seen here, like how we are going to handle this is, see, I'll explain that. This calendar can be of like this. This calendar can be only single part. Calendar can be of two parts, or calendar can be only text field also. Like any other text field is there, we can input manually, we can input the date also. But how to handle this? Here what happens, first of all, see, now say me, like these dates are changing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like these dates are changing of every month. No guys, yes, no.
Dates are same, so no change.
Sorry.
Dates are same for every month, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. These numbers are same, correct?
Yes,
But
yes.
what is changing initially, this here, what we can see only the month and year part over here, correct? Like this also, we can find the month and year part here, month and year part here. That means my point of concern is, if I want to, like today is February 26th, I want to book a flight on March 8th, 2025. That means, does it comes in this month? No, it comes in the next month. That's why first of all, I'll just go to that month and year, then I'll click on that specific date. That's why what I did here is, first of all, I have fetched the month and year part. Then I'll click on this numbers, what I want to click on. Like I'll go like this. I'll click on, for example, I'll give you On August 14th, I'll click. Okay, let's see how to make it. Okay, you all will be keeping quiet, correct? You have to answer now. The 17 number line is for fetching the month and year of the calendar. This calendar month and year we are fetching here, correct?
Yes.
Just a minute. Today is 26th, fine. How to like print the text value of this month and year? How to print month and year dot
Get
Get
text.
text. Okay. Now say me what I'll get in this get text value. Which month I'll get here? This line of
Current.
statement, what I'll get here?
The current
Current
month.
month.
February 2025. The current month. Fine. This one I'll get.
Yes.
Now tell me how to segregate this February and 2025. Like I want to store this February in one reference variable and 2025 in another reference variable. How to store it?
Using split method.
Using
Split.
okay. What statement I write here?
Like
Month year dot
string is yeah.
get text next dot
Dot split.
space
Yes, correct.
with index 0. Fine.
Yes. Month array. Okay. Single.
Because I am storing month here. This is the first part. Done. Next. See, try to understand each and every line, like why I'm writing, what is the use, everything. Now it's for year. Both got segregated. Now I want to click, as of I said, I want to click on August. Okay. That means I have to run a loop over here or not? That means from February to August, if I have to click on this one or not, this arrow mark to switch to that month and year. I have to click on this. Now, Sami, if we do know the number of iterations or we don't know the number of how many times you have to go, what we will use here when we do not know the number of iteration. Can we use for loop? Hmm? No. While month dot equals Okay, we have got here February 2025. Clear? See, this was not understood. Say me now only. Then I'll go forward. Everyone understood? Great.
Why you have used two and values in line number 23?
What?
In line number 23, after
Hmm.
August month, you have used two and symbols. Why?
That is and operator because I'm comparing two string values in one place. Like this is one string value which I am comparing. This is another string value which is I am comparing.
Mhm.
Others understood? Okay, fine.
So, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, in the while loop, we are checking whether month not equals August and year not equals 2025, right? When both the conditions are satisfied, it get into this while loop, right? Oh, you
Yeah.
have to do, and you have to continue with this more, or it's done.
No, I have to continue. See,
Okay.
thing is that everyone is getting dumb and silent. Okay. Like this is not the way which I can teach. Because in online platform, no faculties is going to ask you so much time. You have to interact. Okay. Or else you will get bored. I'll also get bored. Reason of saying that is I am trying to convince something different, but no one is responding. Because here the trick thing I have already done, but no one was asking till now. You got exception here. For that reason, you got exception also here.
Okay.
I know why I got this exception. I like it is not like that.
So,
I don't know why I got this exception. But no one is asking. That's what I am getting like angry for that reason.
Because you have clicked only one time, so
Why I
that's why
have
it is
clicked?
not navigated.
No, it is not like that. I have not clicked for the one time. No, because see here you can see this while loop. Why I am using this while loop? Because while loop will take an argument of a boolean value. Okay, as assuming you are asking at that time, this month is equal to this and year is equal to this means if condition is true, then only this while loop will work. That means how many times it will be true? Only one time it will be true. If this will be true only one time, we cannot click on that arrow mark continuously. Correct. For which I have converted this boolean value. This will return a boolean value. And operator means true is equal to true. True false is false. False is false. False true is false. If both the conditions are true, then only it will throw as true. I have converted that to false using not equal to. Got my
okay.
point now?
Okay. While false, get into
Why
this loop.
false? Sorry?
While false.
Why false? See. What I was doing is that's what only I was asking from that time. But no one is asking me questions. See, I'm in this now with this calendar. How to handle this calendar? First, we will understand. Okay. If this calendar is there, no, this calendar is there. That means this is of two-phase calendar is that if I'll click on this arrow mark, this March will come here. That means all the things will be come in this left hand side. That means in my mind it is said that the data which I'll pick it from left hand side only I'll pick. That is the first thing. For which what I am fetching the data from the left hand side only. with this text value I am fetching. That means I have to click here. If I'll fetch the data, this one, if I'll fetch to click here, that means I'll match whether March is matching to August. Yes, to the like the always it will throw as false because only August will come only one time. To convert that, because and as we know how many times it will like this loop will run, we don't know. For that reason, when in Java it says when we do not know the number of iterations, at that condition we are going to use while loop.
Okay.
Clear? That's why I have used while loop here. First thing. Second thing, this condition will come only one time. That means if this condition is going to come only one time, we cannot like specify this, for which what I did, month is equal to August, year is equal to this. That means all the times this value will come as false. Correct?
Yeah.
To convert this, to run this while loop, I have converted this false value to true value. The value which it will give, it will convert to the opposite of that. If it will if the value is true, it will convert to false. If the value is false, it will convert to true. Now clear? I'll show you the
So,
reason why. I'll show you the reason why. This,
okay.
if this value is
Not
coming as
20.
false, if this
This
value
was.
is coming as false, and
Oh, okay.
this
Yeah.
will like the user, this program will come inside this loop. Inside this loop, if it will come, what it will do, okay, this month is not matching with August, this year is not matching with like year is not matching with this, that means the value is false, and I have converted it to true. It will just come inside and click on this specific arrow mark only, not, it will not do anything more. It will just come and click on this arrow mark.
Okay, sir. And how that loop will continue? That will click in the
I,
first iteration.
See, I'll
Uh,
show you. Wait,
okay.
I'll just show you that you'll get the idea.
Oh, okay. Okay. You have
Yes,
shown
it's
me.
a small request to everyone. Try to interact in the class so that you will also not feel bored and you will get clarified. And I'll also feel good that you are at least listening to my classes. What I'll do it here is new month here dot get text dot split. Okay. See here what I'll do. Just I'm doing, I'll tell you after that. That will get an idea. Just a minute. Very click the edge.
Sir,
Yeah.
so the index number which we have given inside the while loop here, the web element new month year, the index number
Uh-huh.
1, shouldn't it get updated every time? Like it will be just for March and then next time it should be a different one?
Yeah, that's what only I'm doing. No.
No, like you have given a fixed number like 1. Will it be changed every time the loop runs?
Which one? This one?
Yes. Here the number 1, the date web element new in line number 27.
Line number 27. Okay.
Yes, where we are getting the value of new month year. At
Yeah.
the end, we are giving 1, the in
Oh, that
index.
that will be fixed because I want to fetch the data from this side. See, this one will be fixed. Division at the rate. I want just a left hand side. As of I said, I want the data from
Mm,
the left hand side. That's why I have kept it as 1. Because every month which we want to access will come in
mm.
this left hand side. It may be anything.
Okay, so but it is running only once. So
No, that's what I'm saying. Where I have done some mistake or what I'm just saying that.
under line number 27 and 29, don't we need a type of that reference variable or it's okay?
No, why we
Okay.
don't need the type? What I have done is, see, the same locator I have used here. You can see first
Mm-hmm.
of all, I have fetched the new like normal month and year. Okay, it
Mm-hmm.
is month and year of the present month and year where now the calendar is.
Mm-hmm.
Once it is done, what I have did, I have just like got the text value. That is, this is the text value now.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have just splitted it and just printed the statement and I've stored in a reference variable of string. This is
Mm-hmm.
just a string value. The same thing what I did here is after entering inside this while loop, I have clicked here. Okay. That
Mm-hmm.
means the left hand side is changed now. Left hand
Yeah.
left hand side
Yeah.
calendar. This
March.
calendar
Yeah.
is now.
March now.
This
Mm-hmm.
calendar is changed. What I did again, I have fetched the same left hand side value
Mm-hmm.
with new reference variable.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
I have again fetched the text value like this. I have fetched the text value. Got
Mm-hmm.
Namrata, what yes I was doing. That means I have just change, like got the text value and just
Yes.
storing it with the reference of the previous
Previous
which
variable,
value
yes.
store. That means I am just updating the value.
Updating the values. Yes.
I'm just updating the values here. Once it is updated, what it will do, it will be done. Again, it will like it will come here and it will check. Let me do one thing. That means it will get updated here. Okay. Up to what this loop will run, up to the time this statement is not getting false. But every time, see, as we can see, every time we are getting a false statement, but
Yeah.
I'm converting that statement to true using not equal to method.
Mhm.
But when it will match, that means when the condition will be true, it will not work. This is the state like thing which I was doing. Then outside the while loop, what we'll do, we will directly, like now it is like clicked on that we have reached up to August, directly we'll locate the number in where we want to click, we'll click over there. That's it. But why it is throwing error, I don't know. Let me check that. अरे, no such element exception, unable to locate export. Just a minute. Unable to locate exception.
అవన్నీ తెచ్చినావు అవన్నీ తెచ్చినావు ఆంటీకి ఫోన్ చేయి చెప్తా తెలుసు 96030 77422.
Should we go inside the month values like here in the
No.
next child span class UI date picker month July? We should go and check that one.
Let me check. Just a minute. Which one? This one you are saying?
No, after when we went to div class UI date picker title, and after that, yeah, the next child span class is equal to month
Correct.
July. Yes.
Yeah, I have directly have taken the parent. No, see, because it is a month and here it is two different thing. Okay.
Okay.
But inside this, see, you can see here inside this both the things are present.
Mm-hmm.
I have taken directly the parent one.
Okay, so it's first. Okay, got it, got it.
I've taken the direct parent one because I want both the values, not only the month, not only the year.
Mm-hmm. Should we use continue statement in the while loop?
Continue statement.
Yeah, like while does not equal to this, we get this one and then continue.
No, not required like that.
Because running only once.
No, it will run. I don't know, somewhere something is happening, but it will run. Just a minute, we'll check it. It is not running once. It is like throwing error message, no such element directly. Let it throw once. Okay. See, I'm getting no such element exception, which I should not get. This is a different thing.
Unable to locate element in which, and this number 26 only, right?
Okay, here I am getting just a minute.
Do we have any frames in this?
Sorry, what you're saying?
No, I was saying if we have any frames.
Yeah, could be frames.
I'm not getting what you're saying and not audible clearly.
I'm saying that there could be some frames that is not letting that
No,
in.
no, 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 no frames is there. Done and dusted.
Yes.
Hmm.
We'll take the screenshot.
Just a minute, hold on. I will going to take the screenshot. Just you can see here. See, now it will change. Then up to August we reached now. Clear. In August, the date which we want to click on, we can just look at that date. As you got what I was doing here. Clear now? See, it will directly go to that specific month and year. It will click on that specific date also. Done? Clear? See, we have got the date. This is the way to do. Now you can take the screenshots. Ui,
So I have a question.
yeah,
How-
sure.
in the beginning, the while loop was not iterating. It was only getting the first, it was doing only the first iteration. And could you tell me how you solved that issue?
Yeah. If someone delete this, who has done this? See what I did in line number 17. Come to line number 17 first. Okay.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
In line number 17, what I did, I have fetched the element. Okay. What
Yes.
is that element is all about? This one. Only this
So,
element I have fetched.
yeah, that year and month and
Okay.
year.
Month and year.
Yeah.
That's
Uh-huh.
why I have stored it with the reference variable as month and year.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Just a minute. Since you all guys are creating here. Okay. That month and year we got.
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Now, just I have printed the month and year
Mm-hmm.
in this console.
Yeah.
See, printing statement I have given. I have just
Yes.
printed the month and year statement here. Then
Mm-hmm.
comes yours, like just I have segregated both month and year. I have segregated and stored in two different reference variable. I
Mm-hmm.
have printed that. It comes
Mm-hmm.
that only. Fine. Up to
Mm.
this clear.
Yes. Yes.
Instead, this what I did. See, this while loop is like this while loop will run up to what time? Up to what when it is not getting
Oh,
false value.
false.
Okay. Then what I did here inside this last
Mm-hmm.
is in new month here, I
Uh-huh.
have again fetched the value which is present. That means this location value I have fetched, not this text value. Got
Okay.
my
Yeah.
point? That means the
At line
location.
number 27.
In line number 27 and in line number 17 also.
Same
Just
thing. Okay.
analyze the location of the in that location any text value is present, it will come.
Uh-huh.
Okay. The same
Uh-huh.
thing only what I did here is I fetched the value of that location. Again, what
Mm-hmm.
I did,
You split
segregated
it.
the text value
Uh,
what it is there and stored it in the reference variable which is already present. That means inside this month and year, how this loop will work, it will fetch the data from here only, no, in the top, from the top one.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's why what I did here, just I was storing the values here only.
Okay. And could you tell me what line number 26 is? What it does?
Okay, line
Line.
number 26 will change the value. See, I'll just click this
Okay.
mark there, no.
Okay. So once you get into the loop, you will click on that arrow key, and then
Yeah,
you are getting that element in the left
yes,
side. So,
yes,
okay. And you are splitting it. Okay. And the loop will continue on while true. So once it reaches August and August 2025, it will be the condition will be true and it will be turned into uh, false
correct,
since you are
correct.
not. Okay, so it will stop the looping. Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
You can take down the screenshots.
Uh, excuse me, sir. Here, like the corner element, even though you had given the proper locator, so still it gave the error. Why so?
See, in class locator, we used to get error. That's why. Just a minute. See, you can see here two elements is present. UI
Yeah,
date
two
picker
classes
and
are there.
next
Yeah,
and this one, two different things are there. Correct.
corner
I
all.
was I have
Yeah,
taken both the things. That's why it was not working. In some
yeah.
also it was working. Like sometimes, like in the starting, you could have also seen that March was also getting printed. Okay, that's why I was getting confused to where I'm getting the error. That when got no such element exception with that specific line, I have changed the locator directly. I have used the contents part. In context part, you can use any of the text value, partial text value we can use. That is the thing.
Okay, okay. So since it is two different classes, we can also use it like the normal tag name at class
We can use, but if it
with UI date picker next, just simple one without the contains also, right?
we can use that, but if there is any duplicate value, it will not work.
Oh, okay, okay,
That's what.
got it. Yeah, thank you.
See, thing is that as the question what you are asking, no, the answer for all those questions is only one. You take any type of locator that no one is going to see. Clear? But concept is that at last you should be able to locate the element properly. You use only with the class name, you use only with CSS, or you use with expert. That depends on you, how you are locating the element, how fast you are locating the element.
Mm.
Correct?
But there are sometimes the situation comes up where like in the console or the command F, like you are able to locate it, but while running the program, it is not able to locate.
That thing only happened now, no? That same thing only
Yeah.
happened. Like
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it is clicking, sometimes it is not clicking. That means we are facing that, we can call this as a synchronization problem. Okay. But going, as I have not taught you synchronization till now, that's why like we need to change the locator. And some of the cases what it will happen, all the locators will not work. In that condition also, you have to change the locator part.
Mm.
The thing is that, see, that's why while teaching, I used to explain you about the exceptions, how I have resolved this. See, am I mugging up the programs? No. Am I mugging up the locators? No. From this exception only, we will get to know where exactly I'm having the issue and how to resolve that. No such element exception I was getting, correct? No such
Yeah.
element exception will come only in two conditions. First condition, if you are taking, as Sumi, you are asking, no, sir, how you are going resolving all those things. Thing is that you have to understand the exceptions part also, side by side.
Mhm.
If you are getting no such element exception, this no such element exception will, like you will be getting only in two ways. That is, see, while doing the program, if you are locating wrong, or that
Mhm.
locator which you are using is wrong, you will get no
Mhm.
such element exception. That is one thing.
Mhm.
Second thing, like the locator is correct, but the synchronization problem is there, you'll get no such element exception.
Okay.
These are the two conditions when you'll get no such element exceptions. Being a tester, we cannot say that this web page is having a bug by writing wrong code. We cannot say that. That means we have to understand the exceptions, why we are getting that exception. After that, also that element is not working, then we can put a like bug report for that. We'll get multiple exceptions. We'll get no such element exception, stale element exception, socket exception. There are many of the exceptions we'll be getting while doing the program. But you have to understand how to like work with those exceptions. Clear?
Yeah. Initially, I thought it might be the loading problem, but I saw then thread.sleep is taking care of it.
Yeah.
So, so it should not be any flaky problem then.
No, it is not, as you said, no, it is not the synchronization part. That's why I have raised the value of the synchronization also. But
Yeah.
what it was, what I, when I was using with like the two class names, no, it was throwing error for that reason.
Okay, got it. Okay.
That's why instead, why to waste time? Why to take a single? See, I got confused because simple thing, I'll tell you. Two class names are there. As of we know, it will work with one class. If still then also it will not work, what I'll do at that condition? Instead of wasting time, what I did directly, I have taken, okay, if I'm taking with expert, directly I've used contents method, just take a parcel value and just do the work. That's it.
So in the future, like if such elements with the multiple class names are there, so would you
Directly use like
prefer us
this.
to take one or like?
See, no, prefer to take contents method in that condition.
Okay, okay.
Reason is that if any changes is there also, no, you'll not face issue.
Mm.
Because class name might change at some point.
Yeah.
If changes is there, you'll not get any issue. But if you're using only with the class name, it will affect.
Mm. Got
But contents method is not going to affect.
it. Mm. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you. Got my point what I did today?
Yes.
Try to do with different. Let me give you the assignment part. I have to see whether the assignments is there or not. Slider. You can take a screenshot of this to do practice of alert confirmation pop-up. Take a screenshot. Quick. Done. Alert confirmation prompt pop-up. Yeah.
Okay, from 50 to question number 52 to 56.
Yeah. Just a minute. This up to this, I have already given no auto suggestion drop down slider. I have given on that day. No.
Yeah.
Take this. Alert confirmation prompt pop-up calendar pop-up. It is there. And hidden division pop-up. Take the assignments. Do it. Done. Okay. I'll teach you only child browser file download and upload. Any more doubts, guys?
I have one doubt. Can we
Yeah.
open the code? Yeah. So here like 1920, row number 1920 and
Roll
28
number
element.
1920.
So we are using like index in the split value. What it is meaning, like let's say split zero the space and then we are adding 0. What it is the meaning?
Okay. Just a minute. You all are having doubt over there, correct? This is the interesting part. I'll show you. Okay, what is my name?
Meena Ketan.
Vikram.
Good. This one. Okay. Now, I want to store this Bikram in as first name. This one as like a middle name. This one as last name. Correct? How to do this?
We can split the spaces, right?
Just a
Using
minute.
split. Name
Now you
dot.
say me why you are using split here then?
Okay,
Okay.
so here we have to give
Split
the
means
space, right? And then
space.
0 means first index, like
First
Bikram we are
index.
taking.
0. This one is 0. This one
Okay,
is 1. This one is 2. Okay.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Till
got it.
now, you all are not clear about this. I'll show you. No one can answer what I think. Let me see. You have that conceptual clear or not? This is all from Java part. Okay, you are saying no, sir. Teach us Java. See, I said while teaching only, I'll teach you. If any concept is required, I'll teach you there only.
So it will print the Bikram only, right? Yeah.
We got here. Clear now?
Mhm. Yes, yes.
Okay. If the index number is changed, what we will get?
Index out of bound exception.
Index out of bound exception. Nice. Namrata, are you there?
Yes, sir.
We're getting every concept.
Yeah.
Day by day, we're getting silent. Huh?
No, I asked question when I had doubt.
Okay. Now what?
So
The
in
answer?
the in that code, right?
Yeah.
Can we open that pop-up? So here, like, why we are taking the first index, like only first
First, which means this
means
one.
zero,
No, that's
zeroth
what I'm.
index.
See, what I'm saying is, I'll come up to see. This is December 25th. Okay, I want to click on January or February 26, any date. If I click here, you can, oh, it is not going. Actually, this calendar is not going. But thing is that this year, this one will come to this left hand side or not? Every month and year will come to this left hand side. This September is there, October is there. If I click here, this October will come here.
Yes.
Fine. That means all the data is coming in this left hand side. That's why instead of, as I was saying, see, I'm not working with these two things. I'll be working with this left hand side part. If this is a single one, I'll be working with this. It is same as this or not. If I'll omit this one, this is a single calendar, this is a single calendar or not? Not to get confused, I am using that left hand side only. This left hand
Okay.
side only. That's why index is 1. Done?
No. My doubt is not on the 26th 17 line. My doubt is like 18 and 19, right? We are using 0 and 1 index, right? Are we
Because
trying to take only the month name, like first month name, and
I'm
yeah,
storing the
yeah.
month name only. See, that thing only I was showing you here. No, if it is month name and year name, index is 0 and 1.
Mhm, mhm. Okay. Mhm.
The same thing. If Bikram is the month name and Kesari is the year, like the year what I want to fetch, if I want to segregate both the things, I'll store it in two different reference variable. Index will be 0. That means the first one will be 0, second one will be 1.
Okay, okay.
And I
So
have
you will
used a
be
space.
trying to take separately, right? Separate month, separate year.
Yeah. I want to separate both the things because see, year may be changed, month may be changed. That way,
Yes, yes.
I have to match with the month and year, both the things. Then I'll go with the date part.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, like the question you say me how to print now this. This is the question. Everyone, not to you, everyone. Anyone can answer this. This is the question which I have given. Okay. The space is there. We are using split method with space and we are just printing. How to print the same Bikram Kesari? I want to print. What should I write here in this string part?
Question mark.
Nice. Correct? Clear?
Yes, yes.
Let's see. You'll get an exception. Beautiful exception.
Okay. So this is a full uh, string.
Huh?
This is a like Bikram question mark Keshari. This is a full string.
Huh? Instead
Okay.
of space, I have used question mark. That's it.
Okay.
See. Okay. Let me. Space is there. If
Yes.
I'll give space here.
Okay.
No, it will not show because syntax error is there. Okay. Okay. Like his space was there. That's why I was using. No. Let's see. Don't ask me how it happened.
I'll have to ask. I don't know this concept. So, yeah. So why it is like a double slash question? Like, is it something like some technical?
Like regex.
Sorry.
It's a regex. Reg.
Yes, it's a regex.
What it is?
See, to understand this, you have to like learn about the regex part of Java.
Okay.
Just this concept, just be keep in your mind. If somewhere you are saying like this, you have to use like this. Simple, leave it.
Really for the special characters or like how
No,
it
no,
is?
no. Only for the regex, but not for all the special characters. For some of the characters only.
Okay, okay. For whatever the characters, it'll take double slash, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.